If you've lost access to your Kraken account and can't receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Kraken support page. Go to the official Kraken website and navigate to the support section. Look for the account recovery options to find relevant information about regaining access. Step 2. Submit support tickets. Create a support ticket by providing your account details and explaining your situation. Include any relevant information that can help verify your identity, such as past transactions or account activity. Step 3. Verify your identity. Prepare to verify your identity as part of the recovery process. This may involve answering security questions or providing identification documents as requested by Kraken support. Step 4. Follow instructions from support. Once you submit your ticket, wait for a response from Kraken support. Follow any specific instructions they provide to complete the recovery process. Step 5. Update your security settings. After regaining access to your account, update your security settings. Change your password and enable two-factor authentication to prevent future access issues. By following these steps, you can work towards recovering your Kraken account without verification codes. Always ensure your account security is a priority to avoid similar situations in the future.